This is a lens that I had purchased on eBay. It was, well, obviously used. We're going to have to rebuild it. And it is a Carl Zeiss Flektogon wide-angle lens. The lens is in good condition, but I don't know if you can actually see it in the camera. There is quite a bit of haze. We're going to pull this apart, give it a good cleaning, put it back together, and try it out. It has a ring around the outside here, which is screwed in through the main threads, and there's nothing to actually engage it. You need kind of a friction cup sort of thing to unscrew that retaining ring. Unfortunately, I don't have that. I'm cleaning this lens, repairing this lens to use it, not for a historical presentation or so. Any of you purists out there, you're probably going to flame me in the comments, but it is what it is. What I did was I took a small drill, it's just a little precision hand finger drill, and I put two little divots on here so we can engage with this tool and unscrew the retaining ring. Should be enough. We should be able to get it by hand from here. Alright, it's off. Now we need to remove the optical assembly. And again, I loosened things up a little bit before I started. So we'll just listen here. Okay, should be loose. Should be able to kind of just tip it out. And there we go. That is what is inside the lens. Now the rear lens here is in good condition. That is not cloudy, so I'm not even going to bother doing anything with that. This is what we have to worry about. So I felt, yeah, this outer ring is slipping here. This outer ring's actually already loose. I did not do anything with that. Okay, is that? Yeah, that's the retaining. Oh, there we go. There's our problem. Oh, can you see that? That's a bit cloudy in there. This one looks alright. Yeah, this one is clear. We're not going to touch it on the inside. We're not going to do anything with that. We'll just set that one off to the side here. This is what we have to deal with. Right there. Okay, now that it's loose, I should be able to work it out by hand. Alright, that's our first layer of optics. I don't know if you can see how bad that is. So we'll let that set and dry and see how that turns out. Now we've got another layer here that looks a little bit cloudy, but it's not quite as bad. So we'll go in here, see if we can pop this one loose. Oh, well, that's going to need touched up a bit. At least I didn't hit the lens. There's that ring out. Then we have our last one. That one actually does not look clouded, so we're just going to kind of... Time to reassemble. Just the slightest speck of anything on one of the internal lenses will amplify throughout the assembly. In my opinion, it could probably be better, but for what I'm going to be using this for, it's good. It is thousands times better than what it was. And just a quick wrap up before I close the video and cut to the photos. Here is the lens mounted on the camera. Right, there we go. Thanks for watching.